guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today, I'm so excited. I got my Smartass and Sass for December. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So my Smartass and Sass for December just arrived. I really enjoy this box. I do need to disclaimer that some of the things in here that I might be saying or reading might have some foul language. So if you're not into foul language, please feel free to go ahead and X out now. But I will be saying some things probably throughout this video that I normally don't say in other videos. So there's that. So let's go ahead and get in here. I love their box because it's teal. Well-behaved women seldom make history. Classy, sassy, and a bit smartassy. And my favorite, drop it like it's hot, but no, not really. It's fragile. So let's get in here. Let's see what the December is, and we can find out what the theme is for January and all of that good stuff. So when you open her up, there's the paperwork on top. Ooh, I do see a mask right on top. And then there are some goodies. So let's go ahead and get to the shirt first, because they do have 3 different levels. They have one where you can get the shirt only, one where you can get the goods only, or one where you get all of it like I get. So this month, the shirt is pink, and it says, I speak fluent sarcasm. Yeah, I love that. I speak fluent sarcasm. So there is the shirt for this month, and I do like that pink. It's like a fuchsia pink. It's not like a bright pink, and it's not like a baby pink. It's a pretty pink. And I'm not normally a pinky kind of gal, but it's good to mix it up every now and then to get different colors. I love their shirts. They're so soft and thin and just comfortable, so I'm all for it. So then this month's theme is I'm so fancy. And there's the card. Now, they do give us a sneak peek for next month. January, you can see why I'm laughing. Look at this big old middle finger right there. So January's theme is screw perfection. Next month is all about saying F it perfection. We think it's a truly overrated concept, and we are over it for 2020. January's goodies are all about celebrating where you are right now. That's awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and get in here. The first thing that I did see was this mask right here. This is by Masquerade, and there's 12 mini masks, and it says crystal clear. How cute. They look like they're gonna be little like crystal, yep, look. And they're just like little spot checks for different things you wanna put around your face. So this is valued at $6, and it says, brightening crystal mini masks from Masquerade. Let's make this crystal clear. We think you're a gem. Self-love is very important, so get ready to enhance your self-care regimen with our sheet mask crystals, and never let anything dull your sparkle. Contains 12 mini masks. You can use code SASS, S-A-S-S, 15 for 15% off at masquerade.com. So that's really cool. I do like getting these because you can just put them on your trouble zones if you want to just put them like different points. That's what you do with this style. So I do appreciate that. And again, that's valued at $6. Next we have is this item right about here. And this says classy with a savage side. That is so cool. And I like this style mug. It has a nice good grip handle. It does have a travel lid, and it is like silver. Ooh, it's a tight lid. That's a tight fit. And it's just a silver all inside with, there's the lid with this slide thing. So there's this, and this says classy with a savage side travel mug from Smartass and Sass. So anything that's from Smartass and Sass, you can actually buy directly from their site. If you don't want to go straight to the subscription, you can buy pieces individually from their website. You can even buy individual boxes, different themed curated boxes that they do. So you can definitely check out their site. Their link will be down below in the description box. This is valued at $22. You can use the code GLAM for 20% off their shop. That's awesome. Glam will get you 20% off their shop. So here's this, and it says, It's all about balance, babe. There's a time and a place to keep it classy, but have that savage side at the ready. This 18-ounce beast mug is double-walled to keep your drink hot or cold, and it's made from FDA-approved 304 stainless steel. $22 again. So there's number 2. So number 3 says taking notes and kicking ass. Oh, there's something else there too. How cute. Taking notes and kicking ass. So this is a 4x8 notepad. It features a flexible vegan leather cover with metallic rose gold art, spiral binding, and 70 line pages for jotting down all of your important notes. Fringe Studios is a stationery and gift brand of beautiful designs based in Irvine, California. Valued at $10, and you can find them from FringeStudio.com. But that is really cute. I like that. Taking notes and kicking ass. So there's that. Then we have, it says, keep up the amazingness. So here is a card. This is a 5x3.5. This little pretty is printed on heavy cardstock using gold foil. It comes with a coordinating envelope and is the perfect reminder that you or any other badass you know are amazing. Valued at $5, and this is from shopfunclub.com. Use code SMARTASS for 20% off their shop. And let's see what it looks like on the inside. So it does have their little logo on the back, and it's just an all blank card on the inside. You can write whatever you like, and there is the envelope to go with it. And I like getting cards like these because then I just set them aside, and anytime there's ever an event, a birthday, just because, I go to my stash and I always have some type of card that I can pull from. So I do like that. Now we have, because they're starting to do pins, and I believe they're by Bic. Yes, these are Bic pins, and this says born to be fabulous. And it says it on there twice. And oh, there's something else. So this is the pin. You were born this way. Every month we include a collectible pin valued at $1.50. And this is the purple. It is a clicky pin. And this is from Smartass Sass. Again, glam for 20% off. And then there's also this Trinket Tray. Comes in this little box. It has their logo on it. This metal ring dish is perfect for your most precious tiny trinkets. It's our favorite type of motivational quote, the snarky kind. And this is valued at $12 from Smartass Sass. Throw glitter in today's face. How cute. And it is just like a regular tin that you can just toss whatever in, or you can stick it in a drawer and put in whatever you like, push pins or safety pins or anything. So this is just an anything kind of a tray. So that is really cute. So we have that. Then I just bought one of these from my dot box. But now I can have it too. This is Advice from a Unicorn. This is a 2020 desk calendar, and I love this. I got this from Dotbox last year, and every single day I love the sayings, and then I flip them over and there's lines, and I use that to jot down notes for the day at work and then toss it. So I use these 2 different ways, one for the calendar and one to use as a note, a scratch paper. But it says you're dope, don't forget that. So this is really cool, and now I'm gonna have 2 of them, so that's awesome. So here's the package, and it says Advice from a Unicorn Daily Calendar from TF Publishing. Ever need guidance from a unicorn? Well, today is your lucky day. This calendar offers over 300 pages of colorful advice from the most magical curators. This calendar is affixed with an easel so then it can be hung on the wall. You're dope, don't forget that. $14.99, and this is from tfpublishing.com. So let me just show you guys, because I really love this. So every single day is like a different color, and they say different things like on every single one, and it's really cool. Like, everything is temporary. Treat it as such. Travel, 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 then travel some more. Today is the perfect day to celebrate how dope you are. Do it. Know your worth. If you don't love what you do, it's time to make a change. If you miss them, tell them you miss them. Greet each day ready to slay. Tearing somebody else down shouldn't bring you joy. No, it shouldn't. People are watching you, even if you don't know it, so be a good role model. If it doesn't come out of the wash, it comes out in the rinse. F the scale, how do you feel? So it's just like every single day just has a new cool little saying with a picture of a unicorn on it. And I just love this desk calendar. There's some days when I turn it and I'm like, that is so true. And I'll actually take a picture of it and put it on my Instagram and be like, this is today's word of the day or quote of the day, which I love that. So then the last item in here, you guys, is this Wicked Good I'm So Fancy solid perfume. So this right here says, this is valued at $15 and it's from wicked-good.co. And it says, freshness of just right pears is wrapped in a bouquet of white freesias and melted by amber something and woods. That smells really good. This is cruelty-free, vegan, non-toxic, and it comes in an eco-conscious packaging. So it's perfume. Ooh, it's nice and creamy. It does smell really good. It smells like pear and freesias for real. That shit smells really good. Okay, so that is everything that we got in this month's box, you guys. So we have a perfume bomb. We have my favorite desk calendar for 2020. So I'm so glad to now already have that one because my other one's still in the mail. And then we have that trinket. We have the mug. We got a card. We got a pen. We got a notepad. That's really cool. We have the mask with the different little crystal sheets to put on. And then we have the shirt, you guys. Oh my gosh, this was an amazing box. Yet again, they always knock it out of the park for me. I just love the little snarky things that they find or that they make. Stuff that I would never find anywhere else. That's why I'm so glad to get this delivered to me every month. And I get some amazing products from this. So I will go ahead and add up the total value and put that right here for you guys. This will be the total of everything all combined, including the shirt for this subscription. If you do want to know a little bit about Smartass Sass, I'll let you know. Again, I already did say they have 3 different subscriptions, which you can buy individual stuff from their site if you don't want to do the subscription, but the link is down below. The shirt only is $15.95. The goods only is $34.95. And then the whole shebang for everything is $49.95. Shipping is in addition, and it says, we love funny shit, cuss words, and treating ourselves. Smartass and Sass is a gift and subscription service with Snark. We have monthly subscription options along with one-time theme boxes and products available directly from our website. Smartass and Sass curates boxes full of hilarious, hand-picked products made by artisans and small businesses. You'll receive 4 to 8 full-size products and use while laughing your way through life. Smartass and Sass was curated by us, Kim and Abby. We've been best friends for 25 years and are silly weirdos, and we love to laugh. Boxes always ship between the 16th and the 18th of every month. And I do really like that it is 2 best friends that curate these boxes together. I like the story behind it. I like the boxes. I love the items. The shirts are amazing, and you can buy the shirts directly from their sites as well. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's box? I'm really excited to see what January is going to bring with the screw you kind of thing. So I can't wait to see what we're going to get in January's box. So until the next one, you guys know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one.